on another Innovate Coatings project. It's kind of gonna be a unique one. Might be a little loud here and there, but if you look at this floor, it's really jacked up concrete. The whole surface has like flaked off. It's all pitted out. So he's already prepped it. He shot blasted it. They grinded a bunch of spots. A lot of these joints were different heights where they had the joints at and the concrete was poured. This is really old concrete, and so it's got everything prepped. And we have a lot of areas to address, like right here when you walk in. This is a really low spot. This slab where it cracked right here, big old crack here, and it settled right here. I mean, you kind of see the height difference between this guy and this guy. And they even grind. You can see how much they grind. I mean, we're halfway through some of these big old rocks. They grinded a lot of this down. He's gonna flood coat the floor as well before he even does the flake system. And so he's gonna pigment the flood coat with epoxy. We're talking about maybe 100 square foot a gallon. So the other room, same type of scenarios. We got cracks, massive joints. We got pitted out concrete. Wait, before we dive back into this project, we've got something exciting to share. Introducing Leggari Academy, your gateway to mastering the coatings industry. Learn not just the processes you're watching now, but tons of other techniques to create stunning, durable countertops, floors, walls, and showers. But that's not all. We also offer a comprehensive business seminar equipping you with marketing, sales strategies, and financial management skills. Whether you're just starting out or expanding your coating business, Legari Academy is your ticket to success. Don't just watch us, join us and transform your future. All right, so they're getting ready to put the epoxy down and then flake. Epoxy goes down at about 185 a square foot, and then you flake into that. The reason we do it so thin, that's just kind of how it's supposed to be done, because if you put too much resin down and then you throw flake on it, it can like seep up through the flake, and then now you got like a lumpy floor and thick area. So that's what it's designed to do. They're getting it mixed up, ready to go. We're gonna be spreading the product out, the epoxy, flaking into it right when we're done, and then come back the next day, clean flake, scrape it, and then he's gonna do the polyaspartic coat. So we'll just film some of this. Again, close to us. Plus we wanted to film this anyways because we knew this was gonna be a jacked up floor because we've dealt with this in our warehouse. And so just another cool project, because you guys will run into projects like this where the floor is really deteriorated, cracks, uneven spots, and by the time this thing's flaked, it's gonna look like a brand new floor. It's gonna be really cool. So smooth with that throw, dude.
It's a consistent throw.
I learned from watching the Leggari Academy video.
Yeah, wait, 1 sec. Say that one
Tell
more
him.
time.
Tell him, Brian.
Tell me.
What did you say?
Why I'm so good at throwing these flakes so evenly. I've watched countless hours of Leggari Academy.
My man.
I can
My man.
learn from the
Facts. That's facts.